Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the DAR Education Project video tutorial series for the ASP.NET, and in this session number 13 we are going to learn another control, that was the file upload control. So let's start a program. We created already the solutions, and now we are going to add the new web form and name this form as the default file here. Now we will change this h2 DAR education file upload control example, something like this. Okay, now we are going into the design mode. Remember that this file upload control is not basically used to upload the file. That was only used to you can say that open the dialog box or select the files from your Windows system, and we will create a system, and here on the button again upload the file, something like this, submit whatever, submit file. Okay. Okay, when you run this application on the Google Chrome and you will select this file upload dialog box, then it will open another dialog for browsing the files from your systems here. Okay, when you will see this control and you will click on the choose file, then it will open a dialog box just like this, and you will click the file, and this file was automatically submitting here. But until or unless you will not perform an action behind this submit file button, that file was not loaded, because the requesting filtering module is configured to deny request that exceeds to the request content length. So that's why you need to perform some method behind this submit button, that this file was created or loaded here. So first of all, we will create a folder in which our file will be saved, and we are going to Solution Explorer, and now we will create a file. For example, add and a folder, add a new folder, and name this file folder as upload files here. Okay, now when we click on this submit button, we will write the code behind this, that the files will be uploaded to that folder here. Okay, we will have to write this code, that file upload 1, that will be the, it was better that we will give the name to this file upload. For example, click on this one, and in the properties one, file loads, you can say that, and when you click it, we are going to create file loads dot, there are the different options, save as, and now in this method we are going to save the file in the server dot map path map path, and once again this is a method, so we will use a string path here, so double quotes here, and in this first of all we will use tilde, and then give this tilde means that whatever the path of the upload, that was the path of the server, it was included it from this position, and then go to this upload files, and we will concat the file name, file uploads dot file name, and here at the end we will use semicolon, and to avoid and to inform that whether the file was uploaded or not, we will use a label here in the here just use a label, and they name this label as the label result whatever, and in the start its visible will be false, so that this message was not shown in the start when the user upload the file. Label result dot text is equal to file uploaded successfully. And make this label result dot visible is equal to if you want to change the label result dot forecolor property, then we can use this one, and here we use system dot drawing dot color dot, and for example LSPO. Okay, now we will run this application and check what happened. Okay, now we will upload the file, choose file, and for example we are using to upload the documents, and I think we have downloads, and for example this bullets one, and submit file, then you can see that the file was loaded or not. We will check it. Okay, when you run this application and choose the file, for example we have a tiger courier service .docx file, and submit file, this one, then you will go to this application and check whether the file was uploaded successfully or not. So go to the Solution Explorer, try to refresh this one, and you will see that no files was here. Just click on it and open folder in the File Explorer, then you will see that you have the files uploaded successfully here. So in this way you can say that the files was uploaded successfully to the desired folder. Now we will add a check that if no file was uploaded, then what will happen. For example, if we will try to upload the file, then there may be a problem will be arise that if we will not select any kind of the file, then the error will be shown, and how to remove this error. For example, we are just going to submit this file, then it will bring you back to the application and say that an exception was handled. You can see that an exception of the type system.io.directory found exception occur in the this one, because no file was selected. So that's why what we need to use if condition. If file loads dot has file, then this method will work, otherwise it will not work. Else, and for the sake of information, just copy this one, and here I don't think so we need this one, and here we also remove this one, and we write the code. File was not uploaded successfully, file was not uploaded successfully, and color.lsblue.red. and now if you will run this application, then no error will be shown, that either if you will not select, but it will give a information to the user that whether you will select this file first or no, but no exception will be handled here. It means when we click on submit, then file was not uploaded successfully, and if you will choose the file, then it will file uploaded once. Now if we restrict, for example, if we want that user can only load some document files extension, then how we can restrict it, because if we will try to submit it, then it will submit the files automatically. So if we want to bound the person that only the JPG file or either the document files will be uploaded, then how we will perform this action. So we need another if statement here. First of all, we will create a variable name, for example file extension. This will be the variable name, file extension, and here we will get the system dot input output dot path dot get extension, and here we will file uploads dot file name, and this will extract the extension in the file extension here. Now if the condition, if this file extension dot to lowercase is not equal to dot doc, and because the Word file has two types of extension, dot doc or dot docx. So file extension dot to lower is not equal to dot docx file. Then we perform the action here. We will action perform just like this. Label result, for example, I will copy this one and this one. Only document file was uploaded. Kindly upload only Word files, and we will change this color dot rosy brown, and here we will move this else condition, and in this else we will have this if condition. Okay, we will bound all of this just like this. Now we will I think now it's good. Yes, okay. Now we will run this application. Okay, if we want to choose image file and try to upload, kindly upload only Word files. This message was shown here. And if this file was the document file, for example, we have documents, downloads, documents, okay, here, soft, customer documents, for example, this is a Word file, and try to upload it. So the file was uploaded successfully. And in the last one, if we want to restrict the size of some file, then how we will do that. Okay, we go back to our application, and here before uploading the extension is good. It means that we are having this thing here. Okay, and now we have the file, and if the file size was greater than that, so for we are going to upload file size, making a variable, and then use file loads dot posted file dot content length is the method. And here once again we will use if condition, and if the upload file size is greater than, for example, I will check the size, and here is the file, for example D, and for example that was the project files, and down loss of files and company documents, and for example 10 KB. Student resumes for example, this file was the 217 KB, and if we will convert, then the size was not more than just like that. Okay, now we are changing if the size was not we will give 19008, something like this, and here we will show this message. File size is higher. then the requested one. Okay, now we change this color to royal blue. Okay, and now if the condition was met, then once again we perform this check. This is our the last check, and this way. Okay, now we will run this application. Okay guys, now we will get the files here from something. If we want to tracking it and try to upload, so I think this file was under the in the range, so we will go darsoft and use student resumes and try to upload it. Okay, now you can see that the file size is higher than the requested one. So in this way you can utilize the knowledge to upload the files according to your requirements. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Allah Hafiz.